Whoa,
Okay.
whoa.
Got a nice little dress here.
Whoa. Scissors. You better have a permit for those scissors.
That was almost running speed. Okay, calm down.
No running in the corridor.
Okay, cool. That was awesome.
That was cool. That was
Yeah,
right.
that's
Oh,
like an
big
ancient-
stain.
Whoa.
Where did that come from, though?
Spilled your coffee on that.
That just okay. Coffee stain in
Or a
this
muffin?
thing.
I don't know.
Sometimes it happens.
Okay,
All
we're
right.
No blames.
All right, crop
turning
top.
it into a crop top.
All right, cool.
Very stylish.
Get your hairband.
Billie Eilish.
Stylish Billie Eilish.
Cool.
What about the eyelash?
Oh, no!
She cannot skateboard, that's for sure.
It was a nice move.
Yeah.
All right, cutting a bit
Cutting
more.
right down the middle. Okay.
Bam!
What's even the point anymore?
For that?
Okay, tie it together.
Just some.
All for fashion.
That's cool.
There we go.
But I feel like the V-neck isn't gonna stay together for very long. You know.
No, I don't think so as well.
That's a long dress.
That is a long dress. But why is she cutting it? It was perfectly normal.
But because it was long.
Oh, now it's a shorter dress.
Look at that.
But the bottom looks very interesting.
I'm going to grace you at the ball, dear queen. Oh, it's kind of like Marilyn Monroe kind of
I
style.
feel like you could do that
Okay.
with a curtain as well.
Guys, let's get a curtain. We gotta try.
Are you using your curtains? Yes? I don't care.
All right, we got a jean belt.
Jean belt?
That looks
Okay.
that looks a bit weird.
It does
I
look
don't
very
know.
weird. Yeah.
I'm not a fan
about
of
that one.
Okay.
5 out of 10.
Next.
Okay.
All right. Oh. Where
Wow.
did that
Okay.
come? This is just like a sneaky arm.
I like that a lot. I'm not sure how I feel about the yellow combo, but.
Oh, you got a hole in your crotch, girl.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Be careful.
careful.
hate it when that
that's
happens.
dangerous.
Be careful with scissors if you
It's like
cut
in
it.
school when you accidentally stretch too far and your school trousers just rip.
All right, that's kind of cool.
That's very
Yeah.
cool. I
That's
like that.
Bohemian.
Bohemian Rhapsody.
It's Rhapsody.
Rhapsody. That's not how that goes.
All right, cropped up from a blazer.
Okay.
That's nice.
Very cool. Did her pants just change?
So
What's happening
We
here?
got a crop top. Very
Who dat?
nice. Okay, we're nice.
I like
cool.
what I see.
Okay, anyway. That's really cool.
So
All
wow.
right.
Nice.
Big fan of that.
Hubba.
Oh my gosh, Doc! Get out of here.
Okay, I'll go.
Stay. Watch it.
Okay.
All right, she's
what-
ready for the desert.
Is this for the winter, the desert? Yeah, she looks like a what is it? A Force user from Star Wars.
Oh, a Jedi.
A Jedi Knight.
That's the one. All right.
That's my
Okay.
lightsaber noise.
That was too fast.
Styling.
Let's see it. Okay, tie a rope around you because why not?
Yeah. Okay. Napkin. Reuse old napkins as shirts.
Ah.
This is interesting. I'm not sure how I felt about it.
What
but-
if some wind blows or something? You know, it's very revealing, isn't it?
Oh no! I just spilled something. Someone hand me a pair of scissors instantly.
Oh gosh. All right. Ah,
That's cool.
all right.
Very chic. She's
Not
ready for
bad.
dinner
That was
already.
nice. Give us more.
More reactions.
And scissors, of course.
Let's go cut some stuff.
Ah! Ah!
Ah! Oh, okay. No, never mind. Okay, so we got this
Wow.
nice little.
It's a Hulk
Hand?
hand. I
Okay.
don't know.
So we're what are we gonna make with it?
Some hand.
A hand, I guess.
some-
What with the hand?
What will be in this hand? We'll see in a moment.
It looks like the hand from Wednesday. You know, like the.
Oh, that's true. I think this was a reference.
Yeah, this is
No?
it. Oh,
No?
no.
Whoa!
It's gross.
It wasn't Gibson,
It's
right?
the actual hand. Yeah.
Wow, it's some resin, some
Yeah, resin. Blah.
resin,
It looks
yeah.
gross. I don't like it.
Oh.
Ew. Oh no, they're gonna make it all detailed and stuff. It's.
Wow.
No, it's not
Whoa.
okay.
That's not okay, but you were right about Wednesday. I mean,
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. Okay. I kind of like the texture of it. Looks like it would be interesting to put in your mouth. I kind of want to put it in my mouth.
It's like this gilet.
Yeah, like it could be like a vanilla jelly.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the what's that drink that's like just with vanilla basically? Not a Cuba Libre, but you know what I'm talking
Is
about,
it
the
the
coconut
apple
one. The coconut drink kind of looks like it would taste like that.
Whoa! What?
Ew.
Excuse.
Excuse me. Get your
But-
hands off me, sir.
To be honest, they did a good job.
It looks pretty cool, yeah. It looks even creepier than the
Whoa.
actual like TV show one.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, actually, I saw once the video when they create such a hand,
Yeah.
in internet, and they start. I mean, it was some before they start show the series, and they create the actual hand, which is really movable.
Yeah.
It's like on the remote control.
Oh, wow, so it's a little robot
that was
thing.
Awesome, actually, how they did it.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Okay, so we're doing some makeup hacks now, okay? Getting our cheekbones on fleek. Get some kohl
Okay, they still use
eyeliner.
eyeliner.
Okay.
Okay.
She's looking, okay, is she gonna transform into Wednesday? Is this a Wednesday transformation?
Do you think so?
It could be. Tights. Okay, tight.
Got it well.
Okay, what are we gonna...
Week. Yeah.
There you go. She is now
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Jeez. Remember when everything was Wednesday, right when it came out? And the whole internet was just like, Yeah, yeah.
So
Guys,
did
were you one of the people that did that? Shame on you. I did
What?
it too.
yeah, not shame. I mean,
No,
that's
no.
fine. What about series? Did you like it?
I loved the series.
Yeah,
the series was amazing.
That's amazing. Yeah,
When
I
the first time I watched it, I wasn't
Yeah.
really paying attention, and I only caught a few moments, and I didn't like it actually. But then I fully went from the beginning, and I gave it, the second chance. It was amazing.
Did you watch the original series?
I did watch. I only watched the movies and like a couple of the old ones. But I used to watch the Munsters, which is like the knockoff version of the Addams Family with the Frankenstein dude. That was good.
Oh, this is the cartoon, right?
No, I think there might have been a cartoon as well, but this was just
Monsters.
Munsters.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of like the Addams Family, but like just a copy of it, I think.
Okay.
Okay, plexiglass. Ooh.
Wow.
I'm
Make the chest.
making a chest plate. Okay. Is this how they make mannequins?
I'm not sure. I'm confused.
Ooh. What's happening?
Wow, so many action
Yeah,
which
it's
is
too
not
much.
connected
My brain
to
is just
each
like,
other.
ah!
Wow.
Okay.
What they just gonna do? Cut. Oh, that was painful.
Yeah,
I
I don't like
it.
that. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Bolts. Heat it up. What are we gonna do with the bolts in the teeth? We're gonna bend the bolt, break the bolt, love the bolt, take the bolt on a nice seafood dinner, and then never call it again.
Don't do it.
Don't do that.
Call it.
Call it again. Yeah, it's worth it.
Explain.
You guys could go places together. All right, construction foam.
Oh.
Why? Oh, it's
What?
it's a biggie snakey. You know, it's a huge snake.
Wow.
It's a snake cake.
So I hope they will not disappoint me with the final result.
Yes,
so far
same.
so good.
So far, it looks pretty good. Yeah.
Come on, jeez.
Jeez, buy me dinner
Yeah.
first. Yeah, jeez. Okay, UV resin around the top of your light bulb. Why?
Yeah, but try it.
Ah, what?
So perfect.
I don't think so.
No way.
I highly doubt.
No way. But
We're making the eye.
an eye.
Eye of the tiger. Yeah, that's all I can sing of that.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
It looks like Jar Jar Binks a little bit from Star Wars. Misa da bada binga. No wait, that's yeah. Okay, so we have some nice scales with spoons. Nice.
Okay, it's an interesting decision.
It is an interesting decision. I kind of like it.
What is this bridge for?
Ooh.
I mean, it looks like a,
Sausages, hot dogs.
Come on.
I don't know why.
It's uneatable with eatable thing. How it's gonna? It's a.
They actually taste better when you do that. Just kidding. Don't do that. So it's the tongue.
But
It's gonna go bad anyway.
well, yeah, it will be better, right? So,
All right, it looks okay.
That's
It's a thing.
honestly, I disappointed.
You disappointed?
Yeah.
I am also a little, slightly disappointed. But
Yeah,
I
I
like the
expect
scale
more.
idea. I feel like we could work with the scale idea. But it does look like a Jar Jar Binks.
It looks like a Jar Jar Binks more
That's
than
it,
than Snake, right?
Which is terrifying. So it works.
Okay,
Okay, we got what's that guy's name again? Paul Walker. Yeah.
Walker.
From the Fast and Furious. What are we gonna do with Paul Walker today, sir? We're gonna give you a really nice facial treatment here. Okay. Now we have his outline. Okay, and we're breaking it up.
Oh, that technique.
Is this disrespectful?
What?
I don't think so. I hope not. All right.
It's in an art, I guess.
Yeah,
It's, what's an? I don't Oh.
Smash. What are we doing now?
Well, that's actually.
It looks like a lot of skill, yeah.
Yeah, that you need to be talented because it's unexpected always, right? How
Yeah.
it could grow.
Yeah.
But
It's tough for us
I
to
don't
react
know.
to things that take talent because we're just like, jealous.
that's true.
Do you guys have any talents? Let us know.
Yeah.
Or if you don't, we feel you.
You definitely.
You're
have
welcome
some
here.
talent.
Okay, so what are we doing with our Paul Walker now? Plexiglass.
Make a frame.
Yeah.
Oh, they still don't show us a result. How clever to keep our.
They were
attention,
keeping our
huh?
suspension going. Ugh.
Okay,
I'm so
wow.
suspenseful. Ugh.
Okay, we're just scroll.
Yeah. Okay. Now what? Now what? Show me more. I'm not getting enough. Spray paint. Spray paint. What are we doing? Is it just a black frame? Are you really doing this whole process just for a black frame? I'm going to be so disappointed in them.
Okay.
I need my serotonin going up at all times. This isn't enough. Drill.
Well, drill.
Screw.
I think it's some unusual for. No, it's usual.
It's the usual.
I thought it will be like a half of the,
Ah.
frame, and another will be, empty. And you put your glass inside in that corner. That would be sick.
That would be sick, but woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Unfortunately.
Fair enough.
All right, so we got some LEDs on the inside. At least that's
Which
cool.
is, solve the problem, right?
Nice touch. Now we're gonna see the Walker in all his majesty.
The Walker.
Down.
I love this guy.
Yeah, he's a cool guy.
Yeah. Poor,
Rest in peace.
rest in peace.
All right, let's see. Paul Walker, did you do him justice? Let's go. Pull it off. I don't know. I don't know.
Done this, but
It's. Anyway, the next thing is
Okay.
wrapping up in sellotape. And we're gonna cut it out. We're making an outline of our tushy. Snip, 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 snip. All right, construction foam. We're outlining the thigh area. Why? Why the thigh?
For some cosplaying or something.
Yeah.
Or it's for butt improving. I don't
Butt
know.
improvements.
Yeah.
Yes, I need some butt improvements. My mom says she always asks me if I lost a game of poker last night because she's like, "You look like you lost your ass." Not funny, Mom. Oh.
That's what I said.
Oh.
Okay, now you know more.
Yeah. Now you know all you need to know.
Yeah.
Jeez. Don't use a glue gun on something that you're wearing already. All right.
Yeah, it could be
A little dangerous.
dangerous. Okay, but
She's gonna be Jessica Rabbit, I think, is the name. Did you ever watch that?
I'm not. I'm not sure what you're talking about.
It's from a movie with it's like where cartoons break into the real world.
Ah,
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah.
actually out of there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, nice cosplay. If
Okay.
it's cosplay,
I think it's,
if she's not.
or she
Swiss,
thinks she's actually Jessica Rabbit, or she is Jessica.
or maybe she just.
It's a beautiful voice. All right, give us more
More reactions,
right now,
Please.
please.
Don't burn it!
Why are you doing that?
Whoa! What a nice process.
You're making a basketball? What is happening here?
I don't know.
Oh,
They just keep it.
she's a strong lady. She just ripped that right off. Wow. Okay. Or it's
Is it-
edited.
No.
No. She's just
way.
really strong.
Yeah,
She's just a Hulk.
She's a Hulk.
She's She-Hulk.
Flip flops or house goes.
I mean, if you don't care about your handbags anymore and you need some flip flops, that's the
Why
way.
not? Why not?
Oh, looks like a little hairband. No, it is
For
for holding your wired headphones, which are obsolete now. So
where are you from, lady? From
what is this
which
from
century?
from the 18th century?
Yeah.
This is like she was hanging out with Shakespeare when she made that.
Or maybe she's one of that person who don't appreciate Bluetooth anything.
Yes, yeah.
The cable transfer music well.
Yeah, all of a sudden that guy with the scissors comes up to her while she's jogging and he's like, "What? Don't worry, I got you new AirPods."
Right.
You know, the
right.
prankster?
Yeah.
I would be peed off if that guy came up to me and did that. I would be like, dude, what if I like wires?
Exactly,
You know?
exactly, and start fighting.
And start fighting. No, don't fight.
No, I'm just
Unless someone messes with your wired headphones. Burger.
kidding. Yeah. So.
Okay.
Nice theory. What is this for?
Ooh.
Oh, for your Mac.
So you can get Starbucks on the go.
Ooh.
Wow. Okay, it
Sexual
doesn't work.
sustainable.
The zip's broken, so let's destroy it.
Let's destroy it more.
Destroy it. That's whatever. Yeah, I have a pair of jeans that has a zip missing, and I'm just gonna destroy them, so I can make a new handkerchief.
Yeah. So you can take this video as a tutorial and destroy all your
Exactly.
stuff,
Yeah.
you know?
This video should be titled "How to Destroy All of the Items You Own," but it won't. It won't be called that, or maybe it will.
I'm sorry, I'm just was
Mesmerized.
Yeah, with the process of this, changing of the shape of the leather.
It's beautiful.
It's awesome.
It is awesome. Nothing smells worse than burned leather, though. Have you ever smelled burned leather?
Actually, I don't remember any smell of leather. I mean, maybe.